2010 MACK CHU613. 398,000 miles. MACK MP8, 485 horsepower. Eaton Fuller automated transmission. Dual line wet kit. All aluminum rubber. CAMELBAK suspension in the rear. Sliding fifth. Dual fuel tanks. I believe that's a 40-gallon hydraulic tank, maybe a 50. Looks like it's got dual 80 or 100 gallons. Let's go look. Well, somebody's done polished away the reading. I don't know what size they are, y'all. I'm gonna guess they're 80 to 100 gallons. Clean looking motor though. No doubt. I might add, y'all, no doubt. Cruise, power mirrors, power windows, tilt wheel, power locks, sliding fifth. A lot of good stuff on this truck. Seats, air ride seat. Let's see if it works. Of course it works. Big sturdy light headache rack. SESbid.com, y'all. Have an auction the third Thursday of every single month. Thank y'all for watching our video. If you want to come check it out, 13601 Highway 45, North Finger, Tennessee. You can preview up until the day before the sale.